Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to make birthday card using Photoshop. So let's just get straight into the action. First of all, I'm going to create a document. So go to File, New, adjust your size. I'm keeping width 1920, height 1080 and resolution 150 should be okay. Then press OK. Now going to fill this document with a color. So go to Edit, Fill and select color. Then choose a color you prefer. I'm choosing navy blue. Color code is 24005B. Then OK. Now add noise. Go to Filter, Noise. Add noise. Amount 400. Make sure Gaussian and monochromatic is selected. Then duplicate the background layer. Press Ctrl and J to duplicate. Duplicate layer is created as a layer 1. Disable the layer 1 clicking on eye icon and select background layer. Now I am going to blur this layer. So Filter, Blur, Gaussian blur, radius 1 and OK. Now press Ctrl and L to open the label window. Change the left stops to 200 and middle to 0.90. Then OK. Coming back to layer 1 again and make it visible. We'll do same steps as I did with background layer. At first, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian blur. This time radius is 2 pixels. Then OK. Finally press Ctrl and L. This time left stops to 170, right to 172 and middle remain unchanged and OK. Now I am going to place an image of someone. Go to File, Place, choose an image and place it. You can resize it if needed. When done, press Confirm icon or press Enter. Select Text tool. My font is Adin Damelia. Size is 50. Set the color to white, or you could experiment with different color, size and font style. Now type your text. My text is Happy Birthday. When done, press Enter or confirm mark. You can move your text using Move tool. Activate Free Transform tool by pressing Ctrl and T if you want to resize the text. Finally, I'm going to add few balloons shape. To do this, select Ellipse tool and draw a balloon like shape like so. Change the fill color to red and create a new layer. Select elliptical marquee tool and drag your mouse top part of the shape. Select gradient tool, foreground to transparent preset. Make sure foreground color is white. Hold Shift and drag your mouse inside the selection. Then hold Ctrl and Alt on your keyboard and click on this ellipse 1 layer thumbnail. It will select whole shape. Make sure layer 2 is selected. Go to layer and create clip-in mask. Now press Ctrl and D to deselect. Then merge layer 2 and ellipse 1 layer. Hold shift and click on layer 2 and ellipse 1 to select. Then press Ctrl and E to merge. Rename the layer 2 if you want. I am renaming it to balloon. Duplicate the balloon layer by pressing Ctrl and J. Activate free transform by pressing Ctrl and T. You can now move it and rotate however you like. Duplicate it again by pressing Ctrl and J. Again activate free transform by pressing Ctrl and T. Move and rotate where you want. Then select line tool. Draw a line like this. Then hold Alt and draw another line. Keep hold Alt again and draw third line. Then merge all balloons and shape layers. Hold shift and click on shape and balloon layers. Then Ctrl and E to merge. You may move your balloon shape where you want. You can activate free transform and rotate them. With that, I have finished this simple Photoshop tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.